By hosting this important event, Pakistan reaffirms its total commitment to the issues facing wider Muslim community with a keen dedication to maintaining security and peace in the region. I would like also to express gratitude to you all, Excellencies, for attending this meeting and for taking the hardship to join us despite the travel complications related to the coronavirus with its new variant Omicron. This effort best expresses Islam's universal message of harmony and harmonious relations and solidarity. Honorable Prime Minister, we view this meeting as a very important event in support of the Afghan people. All the more so because the issue of Afghanistan has been high on the OIC's agenda for decades. The organization has always taken strong positions supportive of this member country. The OIC General Secretariat has been following the unfolding events in Afghanistan with great interest, being fully committed to the region's peace, security, stability and development. Based on its charter principles of promoting peace and security, in which the principle of non-intervention in the Member States' domestic affairs and respect for their strategic national choices, the General Secretariat calls for upholding sovereignty, unity and territorial integrity of Afghanistan. In this regard, the General Secretariat calls for all Afghan parties to work together in the best interest of the Afghan people. The call is also for all parties in Afghanistan to protect people's lives, refrain from violence and work towards achieving the aspirations and stability of the Afghani people.